Zimbabwe's ruling party is in turmoil after Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga tabled an explosive dossier accusing President Emmerson Mnangagwa's allies of looting billions in capturing ZANU-PF. Sarapena mashoko anyasi kubuda panguva ino aiwa Chiwenga anyasi kutsoma zvigananda, especially aiwa vana wikino Chiwenga nanatagure vanoonekwa kunzi aiwa ndo vakuru vacho. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. The confrontation unfolded at a stormy political meeting on Wednesday, where Chiwenga accused petroleum tycoon Kutya of siphoning $3.2 billion from a secret ZANU-PF stake in Secunda Holdings. The 45% shareholding allegedly held in trust by Mnangagwa, Kebo Mohadi and Patrick Chinamasa yet yielded nothing for the party. Instead, Chiwenga claimed Tagore used the funds to entrench loyalty networks, working through flamboyant benefactors Winnie Chivayo, Telish Ngwaya, and Scott Sakukwanya. He said the party had never received a cent, one insider revealed. Instead, the billions were used to capture ZANU-PF structures with the accomplice of the trustees. Chiwenga demanded the immediate arrest of Tagore and his associates, collectively branded the Zvigananda. He further charged that Mnangagwa himself was the ultimate beneficiary of the scheme. The dossier cited Chivayo's recent donation of 1 million and 10 luxury vehicles to provincial leaders as proof of illicit influence. In a telling contradicting, presidential spokesperson George Charamba insisted the vehicles were party property, undermining Chivayo's boast that they were personal gifts and bolstering Chiwenga's claims. The clash turned personal after State Security Minister Love Momatuki accused Chiwenga of plotting to seize power. Chiwenga snapped back, reminding him of his role in Mnangagwa's 2017 return from exile. If I removed Mugabe and invited Mnangagwa back, what makes Matuke think I now want to remove him undemocratically? Mnangagwa, visibly shaken, set up a committee led by Obe Timpov, Opam Chunguri, and Chinamasa to probe the claims. Yet insiders said the president even considered cancelling his UN General Assembly trip to contain the fallout. By Thursday, tensions were spilling over, breaking tradition. Mnangagwa was keeping the customary pre-briefing with Chiwenga and Mohadi before a central committee meeting. In his speech, he appeared to temper loyalist calls for a 23rd agenda to extend his rule. The split underscores ZANU-PF's deepest fallout line, Mnangagwa's reliance on wealthy allies to bankroll the party, versus Chiwenga's resistance to extending his presidency beyond 2028. Many of Mnangagwa's loyalists fearing arrest under a Chiwenga presidency are pushing for him to stay, with Tagore even touted by some as a successor. Do mashuko arikuda panguva ino arikuonekwa kunzi ayo panguva ino vanhu arikuona kuti they are at a risk yekufaiwa after Chiwenga adismisa Zvigananda. Now they are rallying vachisapota kuti mutungamiri wenyika ngarambe aripo kana kuti Tagore ngaasucceed. Chitiko chiri kuonekwa kunzi the ruling party ZANU-PF Chiwenga anyasoratidza kuti aiwa anyasokonzesa chaos ende azviita at a time vanhu pangu vasingafungiri kuti Chiwenga angaita such a move. Ina comment section medu mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like pamwe chete notina on the bell icon.